sure you guys might be able to see it, but the wind's starting to pick up. I don't know how much more time we're going to have in good conditions. Sky looks fairly clear, but I do know we're supposed to have some serious wind coming in, which is why we're out here so early today. Sun's been trying to come out, but man, it just won't hold. But it's 57 degrees in almost mid-November. I'll take that all day long. Uh-oh, we got something here. We got something here. Running. Yep! Stay down. There we go. We might get away on this guy. Nah, he's little. You're getting better. Great hook placement. Right on the nose. Yeah, he's nice. Dang on camera for you guys here. Yeah, we're getting some. We're getting some now. Starting to bite.